Hello students. So today we are going to talk next step in mitosis, and that is metaphase. Before this we already studied about prophase here. So that was late prophase, and we know in late prophase nuclear membrane it is completely disorganized, nucleolus it is also disorganized, and chromosomes they become double stranded, they become thick and double stranded. So that was about prophase, that is late prophase. After prophase now there is metaphase. So which type of the changes they are going to takes place in metaphase, that we have to study. Here now the chromosomes again they will become more thicker and shorter during metaphase. So in metaphase chromosomes they will become more thicker and shorter. So the best stage to observe chromosome is metaphase. If we have to observe chromosomes, metaphase is the stage where we can observe chromosome most clearly. Okay. So in metaphase stage, chromosome they will be highly thick and highly condensed and they are short. Okay. Second thing students about chromosome. Now the chromosome which is present here at random inside the cytoplasm, here the chromosomes they will arrange themselves on this equatorial plane. Okay. So chromosomes they will appear or they will present or they will arrange themselves on equatorial plane. So first thing which will be going to change during metaphase is chromosome they will become more or they will become thickest and shortest. Okay. So the important step, or if we have to observe chromosome they can be observed very clearly in metaphase. Okay. Chromosomes they are now arranged in this particular like manner, in this particular position. So that is the equatorial plane. Chromosomes they appear on इक्वेटोरियल प्लेन. ओके. क्रोमोसोम्स अपने आप को इक्वेटोरियल प्लेन में अरेंज करेंगे. ओके. सो इन दिस मैनर देयर इज द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम. 1 2 3 4 4 chromosomes they will be arranged like that on this equatorial plane. So that is equatorial plane, and that is the we know poles. Okay. So that is the poles and that is the equator. So all the chromosomes, say for example we represent 4 chromosomes here. All the 4 chromosomes they are present or they will arrange themselves on this equatorial plane. Okay. Now that chromosomes here there will be, we know there is the presence of centriole which is present toward opposite pole, and that centriole it will now produces a particular structure. So here now there is the formation of mitotic apparatus. Here now there is the formation of mitotic apparatus. Okay. Or we can say mitotic spindle. So which type of mitotic apparatus or mitotic spindle it is going to form here, that we have to study. Here now we know it is centriole. From this centriole there will be arises a small rays, they are known as now ester. Okay. So students, here there is centriole, actually it is centrosome. So centriole, and centriole say there will be arises a small fibers or rays, they are known as aster rays, astral rays. Okay. That centriole and aster rays it is now known as aster. It is now the aster. Okay. So in this way there will be formation of aster. What is aster, students? So there is centriole. Centriole they produces now such type of rays, smaller rays, they are known as astral rays. So centriole and astral rays they are now known as aster. So in this way there is the formation of aster. But students, that aster formation it will be takes place only in animal cell, not in plant cell. Okay. So aster formation particularly in animal cell, there is no aster formation in animal cell. Here that from this centriole now, there will be formation of certain fibers now. Okay, so there will be formation of such type of the fibers which will be attached to one pole and centriole of this chromosome. Okay, students, here also from centriole they will be attached to another pole. So in this way, there will be first time there will be formation of ester. Ester means there is the formation of centriole and ester race, that is the ester. From this ester there will be arises what? There will be arises such type of the fibers. Okay, that particular fibers they will be arise from pole to the centriole and then centriole to the other pole. Okay, that particular fibers, it is now known as chromosomal fibers. So students, there will be formation of these chromosomal fibers, or also it is now known as discontinuous fiber. Discontinuous fibers. So in this way, there will be formation of chromosomal or such type of discontinuous fiber. Chromosomal or discontinuous fibers, they are the spindle fibers which will be arises from pole to the centriole and centriole to the pole. Such type of the fiber, they are known as chromosomal fiber or they are known as now discontinuous fiber. Again students, there will be formation of other type of the fibers also. So certain other type of the fibers, they will be now arises from this pole and joined with another pole like that. So such type of the fibers which will be arises from one pole to other pole. Okay, so that particular fibers, they will be arises from one pole to another pole. They are not connected with chromosome. Such type of the fibers, they are now known as interpolar fibers. They are interpolar fibers. Okay, so in this way there will be interpolar fiber. So in this way, that chromosomal fiber and interpolar fiber, again there is formation of another third type of the fiber that we will be talk later on in anaphase. Okay, so that particular fiber students, it is now known as formation of spindle fiber. Okay, so there will be formation of spindle fiber, such type of the two type of the fiber, as well as there is formation of this ester. Ester means what? Centriole and estral race. That particular structure, okay, that particular structure, ester and spindle fiber, it is known as mitotic apparatus. Okay, so in metaphase there will be complete formation of this mitotic apparatus. बच्चों एक बात और हमको ध्यान में रखना है, ये जो माइटोटिक apparatus है, माइटोटिक apparatus starts formation in प्रोफेज. लेट प्रोफेज में, प्रोफेज का एंड होते होते उसका फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ओके, तो एक्चुअली फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द माइटोटिक apparatus starts in mitotic, that is starts in prophase. Okay, और मेटाफेज में उसका कंप्लीट फॉर्मेशन होगा. Mitotic apparatus completely formed during that particular metaphase. So in metaphase there will be formation of mitotic apparatus or mitotic spindle. Okay, तो plant cell और animal cell में भी difference मैंने बता दिया. यहाँ पर ester formation, it is the characteristic feature of only animal cell. Okay, ester is not formed in plant cell. So in plant cell there will be absence of this ester, there will be presence of only chromosomal fiber and interpolar fiber. So particularly in plants it is known as mitotic spindle, and in case of animal it is known as mitotic apparatus. Okay bachcho, so in this way there will be formation of mitotic apparatus. One again thing, in animal cell therefore there will be mitotic apparatus, or in animal cell it is known as amphiestral or astral mitosis. Therefore animal mitosis is known as astral mitosis. Okay, here it is amphiestral. There is the formation of two ester, so amphiestral. Okay, whereas so it is animal cell, we can observe the astral mitosis. In case of plant cell there will be no ester formation, so mitosis it is known as anastral mitosis. Okay बच्चों. So in this way, astral mitosis in case of animal, there will be formation of two aster and therefore amphiastral. In case of plant, there is not formation of aster and therefore anaster. Okay. So that complete structure, that is aster, chromosomal fiber and interpolar fiber. Okay. It is now known as mitotic apparatus. Okay बच्चों. तो फिर से एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं कि मेटाफेज में क्या क्या चीजें हुई. मेटाफेज में सबसे पहले तो क्रोमोसोम्स के बारे में देखे बच्चों हमने कि क्रोमोसोम प्रोफेज के कंपैरिजन में और ज्यादा शॉर्ट हुआ और ठीक हुआ. ओके, इट इज द बेस्ट स्टेज टू ऑब्जर्व क्रोमोसोम. ओके, दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंडली वी स्टडीड नाउ दैट क्रोमोसोम दे विल अरेंज देमसेल्फ इन मिडल, दैट इज इन on equatorial plane. Chromosomes, they will arrange themselves on this equatorial plane. Okay, and third thing which will be going to happen here, it is there is formation of mitotic apparatus or mitotic spindle. Okay, and what is mitotic apparatus or mitotic spindle? That we know it is made up of aster and chromosomal as well as interpolar fibers. Okay bachcho, so in this way there will be certain changes, they will be occur, certain important events they will be going to occur during this metaphase. Okay, so students, actually suppose it is magnifying structure, suppose it is chromosome. Okay, and in chromosome we know there will be now presence of this centromere. Centromere के इस साइड में there will be now kinetochore. Okay, so here there is now kinetochore. Single centromere, it is held here. It will particularly consist of these two sister chromatid. So that is one chromatid, second chromatid, that is two sister chromatid. They are held by this particular single centromere, which will be covered by this kinetochore. So like that there will be present. Now that particular kinetochore or centromere, it will be have such type of fibers. Okay, it is one pole, it is other pole. So in this way there will be formation of such type of the fibers. So which type of the fiber is there? ये कौन से फाइबर से बच्चों बताओ? So that is actually the fiber which will be arises from this pole and attached to this centromere. From pole to centromere means they are actually chromosomal fiber or discontinuous fiber. Okay, second type of fiber ऐसे रहेंगे बच्चों ये वाले, which will be arises from this one pole to other pole. They are known as what? They are known as interpolar fibers. Okay, so in this way there will be formation of certain structure during that particular metaphase, and such type of arrangement of chromosome on this equatorial plane, it is also have one term, it is also known as congregation. Okay, so in this way congregation of chromosome it will occur. Okay, so that are the certain events regarding with metaphagic structure or metaphase. Okay बच्चों, मेटाफेज समझ में आया? आगे बढ़ते हैं. मेटाफेज के बाद बच्चों नेक्स्ट स्टेप जो है that is now telophase. So after metaphase there is now next step, it is telophase. Now actually what happens during telophase? First of all, here the chromosome is have such type of the structure, single centromere, and it will holds two sister chromatids. Okay, now during telophase student, one of the important events which will be occurs is that there will be splitting of this centromere. That centromere it will splits. Okay, centromere it will divide into daughter centromere. So one centromere it will be divided into two centromere. Okay, and then it will separate from one another. Okay, so in this way two centromeres or that particular centromere, it will be undergo splitting. Okay, it will break and it will separate from one another. Okay, so each centromere, it will now consist of what? Daughter chromosome. Means only one chromatid of the chromosome is, we can say now it is daughter chromosome, it is second daughter chromosome means sister chromatid. Okay, so in this way, first thing which will be going to happen in telophase, that is splitting or division of centromere. Okay, and there will be formation of two daughter chromosome. So in this way, student, there will be formation of two daughter chromosome. Each daughter chromosome, it will consist of one sister chromatid. Okay. Second thing which will be going to happen during this, sorry, that is not telophase, student. It is anaphase. After metaphase, anaphase, so that all the changes they are going to takes place during anaphase. Okay, so during anaphase में सबसे पहली बात क्या होगी? क्रोमोसोम का जो सेंट्रोमियर है, it will be split or divide. Okay, and there will be formation of two daughter chromosomes having one sister chromatid each. In anaphase को हम shortest phase बोल सकते हैं. So it is the shortest phase. Okay. अब देखो बच्चों, और दूसरा इवेंट क्या होगा इसमें? Here that chromosomal fiber which is present, it will be undergo shortening. Okay. Suppose ये chromosomal fiber है या discontinuous fiber, chromosomal or discontinuous, it will be now undergo contraction. It will be now undergo contraction, or we can say it will be undergo shortening. Okay, so it will be undergo contraction or shortening. It will also undergo contraction or shortening in this manner. It will be undergo contraction or shortening. So due to contraction, so there will be contraction or shortening. It will be takes place with respect to what? In chromosomal fiber. Chromosomal fiber means that is discontinuous fiber. So that discontinuous fiber or chromosomal fiber, it will be undergo shortening or it will be undergo contraction. Due to contraction or due to shortening, what will happen? It will now pull that particular sister chromatid or daughter chromosome to this direction or this pole, while another chromatid, sister chromatid we can say, or daughter chromosome we can say, it will be moved slowly toward another pole. Okay, so in this manner, both the chromatids, they will be start moving, or both the daughter chromosome, they will start moving toward opposite pole. Okay, so such type of structure it will be, we can say, occurs. That is, suppose one pole. Okay, here now the chromosome, here there is suppose another pole, here the chromosome, it will be like that. Okay, so chromosomes, they will be moved toward opposite poles. Okay, they will start moving toward opposite pole. तो एक क्रोमोसोम जिसमें डबल स्टैंडर्ड क्रोमोसोम है, पहले उसमें स्प्लिटिंग होगा सेंट्रोमियर में. ओके, एक क्रोमोसोम डबल स्टैंडर्ड, सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड या डॉटर क्रोमोसोम में डिवाइड होगा. ओके, फिर क्रोमोसोमल फाइबर्स जो है उसमें शॉर्टनिंग होगी, जिसके कारण जो क्रोमोसोम्स है, डॉटर क्रोमोसोम्स बोलेंगे, या जिसमें एक सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड वाला क्रोमोसोम, इट विल बी मूव अपार्ट, इट विल बी मूव टुवर्ड अपोजिट पोल्स. तो धीरे धीरे स्लोली दे विल बी स्टार्ट मूविंग टुवर्ड अपोजिट पोल्स. सो इन दिस वे कुछ देर के बाद अगर हम देखेंगे तो थोड़ा सा एक दूसरे से दूर हो गए. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इन बिटवीन दैट देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अनदर थर्ड टाइप ऑफ द फाइबर. इसके बीच में और एक फाइबर बनेगा बच्चों, and that particular fiber, it will be formed in between these two structure. That particular fiber, it is now known as interzonal fiber. So that is now interzonal fiber. Okay, now आगे का जो फंक्शन रहेगा इंटरजोनल फाइबर, that interzonal fiber, it will be undergo elongation. That interzonal fiber, it will be undergo elongation. Okay, so it will carry out the repulsion, or it will, or due to that elongation of this interzonal fiber, so it will elongate. क्रोमोजोमल फाइबर क्या हुआ था बच्चों? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन या शॉर्टनिंग हुआ था उसमें. ओके, और दोनों के बीच में, जो दोनों सेंट्रियोल के बीच में जो क्रोमोजोमल फाइबर है, दोनों सेंट्रोमियर के बीच में जो इंटरजोनल फाइबर है वो इलोंगेट होगा. ओके, तो ये शॉर्ट हो रहा है और ये इलोंगेट हो रहा है, जिसके कारण ड्यू टू दैट द रिजल्ट विल बी बोथ द क्रोमोसोम्स दे विल बी स्टार्ट मूविंग टुवर्ड अपोजिट पोल्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, so in this way finally both the chromosomes they will be start moving toward opposite poles. So this type of the events it will be occurs during anaphase. anaphase को स्ट्रक्चर को एनालाइज करने की कोशिश करते हैं बच्चों, क्या क्या होगा. So during anaphase now, suppose it is the cell, these are the two poles. So in this way chromosomal fiber. Okay, so here there will be now chromosomes, daughter chromosomes like that. Okay, so 4 chromosomes, out of 4 it will divide and move like that. Okay students, so in this way during this anaphase we can observe such type of chromosome. In between that two there will be now formation of which fibers? So in between those two centromeres there will be formation of interzonal fibers. Okay, and in this way slowly they will start moving toward opposite poles. ठीक है बच्चों, so that are the characteristic feature of metaphase and anaphase. Okay, वीकली एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते बच्चों. मेटाफेज क्या क्या होगा? मेटाफेज में क्रोमोसोम्स और ज्यादा थिक बनेंगे और ज्यादा शॉर्ट बनेंगे. ओके, अगर हमको सेल के क्रोमोसोम अगर ऑब्जर्व करना है तो सबसे बेस्ट स्टेज कौन सी है? मेटाफेज. ओके, उसमें हमको क्रोमोसोम्स जो है वो ज्यादा क्लियर दिखाई देंगे. सेकेंड थिंग, क्रोमोसोम्स अपने आप को रीअरेंज कर रहे हैं कहां पर? दैट इज इक्वेटोरियल प्लेन में. इक्वेटोरियल प्लेन में वो आएंगे, कांग्रेशन होगा. ओके, तीसरी बात, माइटोटिक एपरेटस का फॉर्मेशन कंप्लीट होगा. तो माइटोटिक एपरेटस का फॉर्मेशन का इनिशिएशन बच्चों प्रोफेज में ही हो रहा है. ओके, और उसका कंप्लीशन हो रहा है दैट इज ड्यूरिंग दिस मेटाफेज. माइटोटिक एपरेटस मींस देयर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस एस्टर, टू टाइप ऑफ फाइबर, क्रोमोसोमल फाइबर एंड दैट इज इंटरपोलर फाइबर्स. ओके, तो इंटरपोलर और क्रोमोसोमल फाइबर क्या है वो तो हमने देख लिया, और एस्टर दैट इज नाउन एज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ माइटोटिक एपरेटस. ठीक है बच्चों, सो that are the certain events which will be occurs during metaphase. एनाफेज में क्या क्या हो बच्चों? एनाफेज जो शॉर्टेस्ट फेज है. ओके, इसमें जो सेंट्रोमियर है वो डिवाइड हो रहा है. ओके, एक क्रोमोसोम जो है वो डॉटर क्रोमोसोम्स में डिवाइड हो रहा है. ओके, इसके पहले एक क्रोमोसोम में 2 सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स है. ओके, 2 सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स एक ही क्रोमोसोम में. ओके, अब स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ सेंट्रोमियर के कारण सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड या एक क्रोमोसोम it will be divide, one chromosome it will be divided into 2. Okay, so there will be formation of 2 sister chromosome. Okay, इस फिर एनाफेज में there will be, तो पहली बात हमने देखे एनाफेज में स्प्लिटिंग और डिवीजन ऑफ सेंट्रोमियर. ड्यू टू दैट there will be formation of 2 daughter chromosome. Second thing, now there will be contraction or shortening of this chromosomal fiber. इसका कॉन्ट्रैक्शन है या शॉर्टनिंग. ठीक है, इसकी शॉर्टनिंग होती है ये फाइबर की, तो ये इस पोल के तरफ आएगा और ये इस पोल के तरफ धीरे धीरे. ठीक है, तो देयर विल बी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड शॉर्टनिंग ऑफ क्रोमोसोमल फाइबर. दोनों थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस आने के बाद दोनों के बीच में और एक फाइबर बनेगा. व्हाट इज दैट? इंटरसोनल फाइबर. अब इंटरजोनल फाइबर क्या करेगा बच्चों, दैट इज इलोंगेशन, एंड देयरफॉर टू chromatids or two daughter chromosomes, they will be start moving toward opposite pole. Okay, so in this way there will be formation of such type of the structure. बच्चों एनाफेज में अगर हम क्रोमोसोम को देखते हैं, ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, तो क्रोमोसोम इट विल बी अपीयर्स आइदर सच टाइप, ओके, दैट इज V shape. Suppose there is the centromere in the middle, so chromosome it will be like that, V shape, or it may be like that, L shape, or it may be like that, J shape, okay, or it may be I shape. जब सेंट्रोमियर को अटैच होगा क्रोमोसोमल फाइबर और अपोजिट पोल पर उसको पुल करेगा, ड्यू टू दैट डिपेंडिंग अपॉन पोजीशन ऑफ सेंट्रोमियर, ओके, हमको क्रोमोसोम्स के अलग अलग सेट दिखाई देंगे, ओके। अगर सेंट्रोमियर इज प्रेजेंट जस्ट इन द मिडल ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, इट विल बी अपीयर V shape. If it will be present not in center but just away from center, it will be L shape. If centromere it is present near the tip, then it will be appear J shape, and if it will be appear, it will have centromere is present at the tip, then it will be appear I shape. Okay, so if it will appear V shape, that is known as metacentric chromosome. If it is L shape, it is known as submetacentric. Okay, if it is J shape, it is known as acrocentric, and if it is I shape, then it is known as telocentric. Okay, so in this way there are 4 type of chromosome on the basis of position of centromere and how they will appear during anaphase. So they are metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric. Okay बच्चों, तो that are the certain changes which will be occurs during metaphase and anaphase. Okay, so in next video lecture we will talk about telophase and cytokine.